Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we are going to discuss the question set 30. So the first question is we have to find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11. So to do this we are going to use the length keyword in SQL. So let's type in select length and we are going to select the first name from the student table, and then we can see the length of the first name of each name. Let's go to the next question. Singular language and literature. Find the number of letters in this word. So as we use the above the length, we can use it the same way. So we can find select length, singular language and literature, and it will display that it is 29 length. It also includes the space in between. Next, let's go to the next question. Find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11A class. Alright, so that is also a simple task. So let's type in our SQL keyword. So we are going to select the length, first name, and the length of last name. And we are going to add both together from the student table. And then we are going to inner join the class. And then so that we can search using our class name, we have inner joined the class table. So let's see our result. So this is the result of all the students in class 11A whose first name and last name character length has been added. Let's go to the next question. Prepare the first names of all grade 11B students in capital letters. Alright, so there is a special SQL keyword called the upper keyword. So I'm going to use that keyword. So if you select upper, and I'm going to select the first name from students where class name is 11B. So if we have an inner join this, we cannot use this where keyword. So since I have used this string, I'm going to use the inner join class on class id in the class table. So now let's run the keyword and we can see all the 11B students first name in capital letters. Let's go to the next question. Prepare the names of all subjects in simple letters. Alright, so likewise we use the upper, we can use the lower keyword here. So we have selected select lower and we have selected subject name from subjects, and we can see that all subjects have been converted into simple letters. Now let's go to the next question. Find the average of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses, student in class 11A, in all term examinations in the subject of science. So science subject, Amanda Moses, student in class 11A, all term examination. So we have to find the average marks. So I have a special query here, and we are going to find the average mark from the student mark record table, and then we are going to inner join the student table and the subject table, and we are going to search using the first name Amanda and the last name Moses, and we are also selecting the subject name science. So let's run this and we can see that the average mark is 80. Let's go to the next question, and the questions are over. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.